So these are the CMF Buds 2 from nothing. I made a video on these a little while back, talking about all the features it had. So yeah, let's unbox them. I lost my old headphones, so I decided to get these ones because they're much better. Oh yeah, see that? That's nice. I'll let y'all get the first look. Oh, that hinge is really nice as well. Now it is all plastic, but the plastic feels really premium, which is what I expect for like a $50 headphone. Oh, there are the ear tips and the paperwork. Now I don't care about that. What I do care about is how they sound, and supposedly they sound really good. They have 48 decibel noise cancellation, and they have ChatGPT integration, which is a lot better than the CMF Buds 1. So yeah, the CMF Buds 1 don't have either of those. They have 45 decibel noise cancellation. So yeah,